Karma Guy here, and check out this 2005 Ford Mustang Deluxe Coupe. Local trade, clean Carfax, and low miles for its age. This car's a Georgia classic. With dealer service history and over $1,455 in recent service, spark plugs, serpentine belt, fresh oil, and more, plus current GA emissions, it's ready to go. This Mustang is dealer certified pre-owned with a quality plus warranty, 3 months or 3,000 miles. You can also upgrade to a lifetime warranty and a 5-year maintenance plan at a discount. We've got a clean bill of health from the latest computer scan, 8 for 8 monitors, no codes, no dash lights. Remember, the bitterness of poor quality remains long after the sweetness of low price is forgotten.